Welcome to our channel, where we bring you quality videos daily to help you discover the best products out there. If you're on the hunt for the finest ring lights, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and shed some light on the top choices. And don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and follow us on social media for more product insights. Let's get started. Number 1. Westcott 18 Bicolor LED Ring Light Kit. For the professional with a variety of ring light needs, still photography, streaming, content creation, you need reliability and flexibility. That certainly describes Westcott's 18 Bicolor LED Ring Light Kit. This 18-inch light features adjustable color temperature from 3200K tungsten to 5600K daylight, making it useful in a number of environments. The Westcott 18-inch ring light kit includes a 6.5-foot aluminum stand, swivel and mobile device mounts, and a gooseneck for adjusting the mounted phone position. Power is flexible as well. In the studio, you can use it with AC power. It also comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, and a recharger, for working in the field. This is something you definitely want. At 18 inches, this is a relatively large ring light, which makes for flattering light in portraits. It also offers lots of options when it comes to camera or phone placement within the confines of the ring. It even includes a case for off-site jobs. If you're serious about photography or content creation, this is the one to get. Number 2. Logitech for Creators Litra Glow. Streamers cannot live on ring lights alone. Given the extended periods they spend in front of illumination, streamers tend to require softer, more directional lights. Logitech for Creators Litra Glow fits the bill perfectly. It's small enough to mount on the top of your computer monitor, with a 3-way mount, but bright enough to bathe your face in a soft, flattering glow. A clever package, you can make adjustments from the rear of the unit or via the free G-Hub desktop computer app. Adjustable brightness and color temperature settings get you from warm candlelight to cool blue to match your environment and skin tone. You don't even need to be a streamer to benefit from this light. It's great for illuminating long Zoom calls as well. The illuminated area is fairly small compared to the larger ring lights on this list, but streamers typically sit close to their monitors where the light mounts. Once this little light is installed, it also takes up a lot less room than most other options presented here. Number 3. Neewer Advanced 18-inch LED Ring Light. Sturdy construction is important for ring lights. You don't want to be in the middle of a project and have some piece of plastic snap off that renders the light unable to hold your camera steady, says Denise. It's even worse if this happens during a stream. I've been live streaming, and all of a sudden had the whole light just fall over onto my head, she remembers. I'd like to see ring light companies use sturdier materials that last longer, even if it means having to charge more. If quality is important to you and you can afford to pay the extra money for the best ring lights, look at Neewer's Advanced 18-inch LED Ring Light. This ring light set is perfect for studio photography and includes a sturdy stand with plenty of mounting options. The light itself is made with 272 SMD LEDs. You can tune the color temperature from 3200K to 5600K with dimming going down to 10%. You also get 2 remote controls and a carrying case. Number 4. UBesize DR5010 with tripod. For the general hobbyist, it can be difficult to know what the best ring light for you might be. You don't want to lay out too much cash, but you also want a product that will serve your needs. You need value, and that's UBesize's DR5010 ring light in a nutshell. With its versatile light, included tripod, and Enlight phone mounting bracket, you'll be set for whatever photography or content creation challenges you undertake. 10 inches may seem small for a light, but our expert, Denise, prefers this size. I've found anything larger than a 10-inch diameter is unnecessary if all I'm lighting is myself and maybe one other person, she says. This ring light is flexible with 3 light tones, white, natural, and warm, plus 10 brightness settings for each one. A nice bonus is the Bluetooth-enabled shutter remote control, which allows you to take pictures without touching your phone. Number 5. Lippity 13-inch ring light with floor stand. Denise's personal choice for the best ring light for TikTok, Lippity's 13-inch ring light with floor stand is everything you need for TikTok success in one affordable package. Starting with the light, it offers a versatile 3200K to 6000K color range. There are 3 color tones, cool white, and warm yellow, each with 10 positions of brightness and a total dim range of 1 to 100%. To hold up the light, the package includes an adjustable stand with heights that can go from tabletop to fully standing. You can mount your phone or a camera on it as well and position your phone and light in a variety of directions. Best of all, It's available at a consumer price point, meaning it's perfect for just about anyone, from hobbyists to pros. There are no battery options, however, meaning you have to be plugged into USB power. If you can live with that, it's a great choice for the best ring light for TikTok.